Welcome to the mesmerizing landscapes of Ninh Binh, a place often called the Halong Bay on land. As you prepare to explore this UNESCO World Heritage region, it is essential to know that there are two primary boat tour experiences here, Trang An and Tam Coc. While both offer stunning views of limestone karsts and winding rivers, the basic difference lies in their focus. Trang An is a grand, meticulously organized complex known for its long, dramatic routes through many caves and historical temples. In contrast, Tam Coc offers a more rustic, classic experience, famous for gliding through emerald rice paddies nestled right between the towering mountains. Let's begin with Trang An, the crown jewel of Ninh Binh's ecotourism. This complex is a vast, protected area where the waterways feel pristine and endless. When you arrive, you will immediately notice the professional infrastructure. You can choose from 3 different boat routes, each taking you on a journey of 2 to 3 hours. These routes are carefully designed to showcase a series of impressive, long grottos, some stretching hundreds of meters through mountains and sacred temples that are only accessible by water. Because it is a UNESCO site, the rowing experience is exceptionally well regulated. You will find yourself gliding through water so clear that you can see the aquatic plants dancing beneath the surface. As you pass through the dark, cool tunnels of the caves, the natural stalactites hang like ancient sculptures from the ceilings, creating a surreal and mystical atmosphere. The boat, women, and men here are not just rowers, they are storytellers who navigate these complex waterways with practiced ease. One of the major highlights is the stop at the islands where historical shrines stand, surrounded by ancient trees and the silence of the mountains. It is a fantastic place to visit year-round because the water levels are managed and the scenery remains lush and vibrant. The sheer scale of the limestone cliffs here is humbling, and the way the pagodas are perched on rocky outcrops feels like a scene from an ancient folktale. Every turn in the river reveals a new vista, a hidden corner, or a sudden, breathtaking perspective of the towering karst formations that dominate the horizon. Next, we travel to Tam Coc, a name that literally means 3 caves. This boat tour is located along the Ngo Dong River and is legendary for its intimate connection with the local landscape and agricultural heritage. The route here is generally shorter, usually lasting around 1.5 to 2 hours, and takes you directly through the heart of the region's agricultural life. As you float along, you are surrounded by lush rice fields that turn brilliant gold during the harvest season. A truly unique highlight of Tam Coc is the traditional rowing technique. Many local boatwomen expertly row their sampans using their feet, a centuries-old skill that is both mesmerizing to watch and incredible to photograph. This style of rowing is a testament to the endurance and unique traditions of the local people. The experience here feels more personal and connected to the rhythms of the countryside. You are essentially floating through the backyard of the local villages. As you enter the 3 main caves, Hang Ka, Hang Hai, and Hang Ba, you feel the cool air change as you drift into the dark limestone tunnels. The water here feels closer, more intimate, and the mountains seem to rise almost vertically from the riverbanks, casting long, dramatic shadows. The river is the lifeblood of this area, and the sights along the way, including the historic Bich Pagoda nearby, add a layer of spiritual depth to the natural beauty. Bich Pagoda stands as a timeless masterpiece of spiritual architecture and natural beauty, often hailed as the 2nd most beautiful cave in Vietnam. Nestled within the Trang Yen limestone mountains in Ninh Binh, this ancient complex is an integral part of the Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its name, Bich Dong, literally translates to Emerald Green Grotto, a poetic title bestowed upon it by Lord Tringe Sam in 1774, who was deeply moved by the harmonious convergence of limestone mountains, lotus ponds, and lush greenery surrounding the site. The beauty of Bich Dong lies in its unique, mountain-leaning, water-facing design, a classic expression of feng shui that ensures a tranquil atmosphere. The complex is structured in a vertical layout consisting of 3 distinct levels. Ha Pagoda means lower, Trung Pagoda means middle, and Thuong Pagoda means upper, all built into the rugged limestone cliffs. To reach the entrance, visitors cross a picturesque, ancient stone bridge spanning a romantic lotus pond. From May to July, when the lotus flowers are in full bloom, the pond transforms into a vibrant pink blanket, creating one of the most iconic and photogenic scenes in all of Ninh Binh. It is a place where history, spirituality, and nature intertwine, offering a serene sanctuary for pilgrims and travelers alike who seek to escape the rush of the world and find inner peace among the ancient stone and whispering trees. This site, Bai Dinh Pagoda, is a monumental spiritual complex located in the Ninh Binh province of Vietnam, situated within the stunning Trang An scenic landscape complex. As one of the largest and most significant Buddhist temple sites in Southeast Asia, it serves as a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and modern architectural grandeur. The complex is divided into two distinct areas: the historic ancient pagoda, nestled into the mountainside, and the expansive new pagoda complex, constructed between 2003 and 2010. The site is widely renowned for holding numerous national and regional records, which draw pilgrims and travelers from across the globe. Among its most striking features is the corridor of 500 Arhat statues, recognized as the longest of its kind in Asia. Visitors are also frequently awed by the monumental 36-ton bronze bell, the largest in Vietnam, and the towering 10-meter bronze Maitreya Buddha statue that overlooks the rolling hills. The 3-story Bao Thap Tower stands as a majestic landmark, housing sacred Buddha relics and offering panoramic views of the verdant valley below. The Hang Mua, also known as the Dancing Cave, is one of Ninh Binh's most iconic destinations. Often referred to as the Rooftop of Ninh Binh, this site offers a breathtaking panoramic viewpoint that attracts photographers and nature lovers from around the world. The name originates from an ancient folk legend about King Tran, who would visit the area to watch dance performances by beautiful women within the cave. The primary attraction here is the exhilarating hike up nearly 500 stone steps carved into the mountainside. Though the climb is physically demanding, the reward at the summit is unparalleled. Reaching the top, you are greeted by a magnificent stone dragon statue that appears to dance along the rocky ridge. From this vantage point, you enjoy a stunning 360-degree view of the Tam Coc Valley, where emerald green rice paddies, winding rivers, and majestic limestone karsts create a surreal, dreamlike landscape. Whether you visit during the golden harvest season or when the lotus flowers bloom in the valley below, Hang Mua provides a deeply immersive experience. It is the perfect place to witness the raw, natural beauty of northern Vietnam and capture the quintessential photo of the region. Hoa Lu serves as a powerful symbol of Vietnam's resilient history. Located in Ninh Binh, this site was the ancient capital of the country during the 10th and 11th centuries under the Dinh and Lê dynasties. As you walk through the quiet, forested grounds, you are stepping back into a formative era when the nation was first establishing its independence from foreign rule. The site is defined by its deep cultural significance and architectural grace. Unlike the grand, sprawling structures found in other capitals, the temples of Hoa Lu are celebrated for their understated elegance and intricate wood carvings that have withstood the test of time. The two primary temples, dedicated to King Dinh Tien Huang and King Le Dai Han, are masterfully preserved and surrounded by lush, peaceful gardens that invite quiet contemplation. The natural setting of Hoa Lu is equally impressive, as it is protected by the dramatic limestone karsts that act as a natural fortress. Visiting these temples provides a profound connection to Vietnam's royal past, offering a serene atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the bustling energy of the region's rivers and caves. For history enthusiasts, Hoa Lu is the essential starting point for understanding the soul of northern Vietnam. To fully enjoy the serene beauty and dramatic landscapes of Ninh Binh, you should plan to spend at least 3 full days in the region. This duration allows you to explore major sites like Trang An and Tam Coc at a relaxed pace, while also having enough time to cycle through rural villages and hike to stunning panoramic viewpoints. The best place to base yourself is the Tam Coc area, which strikes a perfect balance between stunning natural surroundings and convenient access to local amenities and restaurants. You will find a wide range of options to suit any budget. Simple, locally run homestays are very affordable, typically costing between $15 and $25 per night, while more comfortable bungalows or boutique hotels with pools generally range from $40 to $70. Food in Ninh Binh is both delicious and inexpensive. You can easily enjoy a hearty, authentic Vietnamese meal at local restaurants for just $3 to $6. Whether you are craving a steaming bowl of traditional soup or local specialties like goat meat, the dining scene is highly accessible and wallet-friendly. When it comes to the best time to visit, the ideal window is during the dry season from March to May for mild and pleasant weather. Alternatively, September to November offers a cooler, drier climate. If you dream of seeing the famous golden rice paddies, plan your trip for late May or early June, though you should be prepared for higher temperatures. Regarding what to wear, when visiting temples, prioritize modesty by covering your shoulders and knees. For outdoor adventures like hiking the Hang Mua Steps, sturdy sneakers are essential. During boat trips, wear light, breathable fabrics and always carry a wide-brimmed hat and sunscreen to protect yourself from the tropical sun. Because Ninh Binh is defined by its lush, watery landscape, mosquitoes can be persistent, especially at dawn and dusk. Always pack a strong insect repellent with DEET or picaridin. In the evenings, it is highly recommended to wear long-sleeved, light-colored clothing to minimize exposure to bites. Finally, the most authentic and enjoyable way to navigate the countryside is by renting a bicycle or a motorbike, which usually costs only $2 to $3 per day. By arriving early in the morning, around 7 or 8 o'clock, you can visit popular landmarks before the main crowds arrive, ensuring you experience the peaceful spirit of this breathtaking region. Prepare with comfort in mind, and you will have an unforgettable journey.